Welcome to my channel. Natural Cures. Turmeric number 1 contains biologically active compounds with strong medicinal properties. Turmeric is the spice that gives curry its yellow color. It has been used in India for thousands of years as a spice and herbal medicine. Recently, what Indians have known for a long time has been confirmed to already contain compounds with medicinal properties. 1. These compounds are called curcumin lids, and the most important of them is curcumin. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a powerful antioxidant. However, the curcumin content in turmeric is not high, i.e. about 3% by weight too. Most studies on this herb use turmeric extracts that mostly contain curcumin itself with a dose that usually exceeds 1 gram per day. It will be difficult to reach these levels just by using turmeric spices in your foods. Therefore, if you want to experience the full effects, you will need to take a dietary supplement that contains large amounts of curcumin. Unfortunately, curcumin is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream. Taking black pepper with it that contains piperine, which is a natural substance, can boost curcumin absorption by 2000%. The best curcumin supplements contain piperine, which greatly increases its effectiveness. Curcumin is also fat-soluble, so eating it with a fatty meal might be a good idea. Summary: turmeric contains curcumin, a substance with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Most studies use turmeric extracts that are standardized to withstand large amounts of curcumin. Number 2. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation is very important. It helps your body fight against foreign bodies that attack your body and also has a role in repairing damage. Without inflammation, pathogens such as bacteria can easily take over your body and kill you. Although short-term acute inflammation may be beneficial for you. However, it can become a major problem when it becomes chronic because it attacks your body tissues. Scientists now believe that low-level chronic inflammation plays a major role in almost all chronic Western diseases. This includes heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease and various degenerative conditions. 3. Therefore, anything that can help combat chronic inflammation is of potential importance in preventing and even treating these diseases. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory. In fact, it is so powerful that it matches the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs without side effects. 4. It blocks NF-κB, a molecule that travels to the nuclei of your cells and circulates the genes related to inflammation. NF-κB is believed to play a major role in many chronic diseases. Without going into details, inflammation is very complicated. The main issue is that curcumin is the biologically active substance that fights inflammation at the molecular level. Summary: chronic inflammation contributes to many common diseases. Curcumin can suppress many known molecules that play a major role in inflammation. Number 3. Turmeric significantly increases the body's antioxidant capacity. Oxidative damage is believed to be one of the mechanisms underlying aging and many diseases. It also includes free radicals and highly reactive molecules with non-supplied electrons. Free radicals tend to interact with important organic substances, such as fatty acids, proteins or DNA. The main reason antioxidants are so beneficial is because they protect your body from free radicals. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals due to its chemical composition. 5. Additionally, curcumin boosts the activity of your antioxidant body enzymes. In this way, curcumin offers one punch against free radicals as it blocks them directly and then stimulates the body's own antioxidant defenses. Summary: curcumin has powerful antioxidant effects that neutralize free radicals and also stimulate your body's antioxidant enzymes. Number 4. Curcumin boosts the brain's neurotrophic factor. Long ago, it was believed that neurons were not able to divide and multiply after early childhood. But it is now known that this is happening. Neurons are able to form new bonds, but they can multiply and increase in number in certain areas of the brain. One of the main factors for this process is the brain-derived neurotransmitter, BDNF, a type of growth hormone that works in your brain. 6. Several common brain disorders have been linked to lower levels of this hormone, including depression and Alzheimer's disease. Interestingly, curcumin can increase BDNF levels in the brain. By doing this, it may be effective in delaying or even reversing many brain diseases and age-related decreases in brain function. It may also improve memory and make you smarter, which is logical given its effects on BDNF levels. However, controlled studies are needed in humans to confirm this. Summary. Curcumin boosts BDNF brain hormone levels, which increases the growth of new neurons and combats various degenerative processes in your brain. Number 5. Curcumin reduces the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the world's leading cause of death. Researchers have studied this for decades and have learned a lot about the cause of its occurrence. It is natural for heart disease to be very complex, and there are many things that contribute to it. Curcumin helps reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Perhaps the main benefit of curcumin when it comes to heart disease is to improve endothelial function. Endothelial dysfunction is known to be the main driver of heart disease and involves your inability to regulate blood pressure, thrombosis and various other factors. Several studies indicate that curcumin leads to improvements in endothelial function. One study also found it to be just as effective as an exercise effect, while another study shows it works in addition to atorvastatin. In addition, curcumin reduces inflammation and oxidative stress as described above, which plays a role in heart disease as well. One study gave 121 random people who were undergoing surgery to insert coronary artery either a placebo or 4 grams of curcumin per day a few days before and after surgery. A 65% lower risk of heart attack in hospital was observed in the curcumin group. Summary. Curcumin positively affects many known factors that play a role in heart disease as it improves endothelial function and as a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Number 6. Turmeric can help prevent and possibly even treat cancer. Cancer is an outrageous disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. There are many different forms of cancer, which still have several things in common. Some of them appear to be affected by curcumin supplementation. 8. Studies have proven that curcumin is a useful herb for cancer treatment. It concluded that it affects the growth and spread of cancer at the molecular level. Studies have shown that it can contribute to eliminating cancer cells and reducing angiogenesis, the growth of new blood vessels in tumors, and the spread of cancer. Multiple studies indicate that curcumin can reduce the growth of cancer cells in the laboratory and prevent the growth of tumors in test animals. And whether a high dose of curcumin, preferably with an absorption enhancer such as piperine, can help treat cancer in humans. But it has not been studied properly yet. However, there is evidence that it may prevent cancer from occurring in the first place. Especially digestive cancer, such as colorectal cancer. In a 30-day study of 44 men with colon lesions that sometimes turned carcinogenic, it was observed that 4 grams of curcumin per day reduced the number of lesions by 40%. Curcumin will probably be used in conjunction with a traditional cancer treatment one day. This cannot be confirmed now, but it appears promising and is being studied extensively. Summary. Curcumin causes many changes at the molecular level that may help in prevention and possibly even cancer treatment. Number 7. Curcumin may be helpful in preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is the most common degenerative neurological disease in the world and is a major cause of dementia. Unfortunately, there is no good treatment for Alzheimer's yet. Therefore, preventing it from occurring in the first place is extremely important. There might be good news on the horizon because curcumin has shown its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. It is known that inflammation and oxidative damage play a role in Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin can positively affect both of them. In addition, the main feature of Alzheimer's disease is the accumulation of cross-linking proteins called amyloid plaques. Studies show that curcumin can help clean up these plaques. It is not yet certain whether curcumin really helps to slow or even stop the development of Alzheimer's disease in humans and needs to be properly studied. Summary. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to lead to various improvements in Alzheimer's disease. Number 8. Arthritis patients respond very well to curcumin supplements. Arthritis is a common problem in Western countries. There are many different types of it, but most include inflammation in the joint area. And given that curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound, it makes sense that it might help with arthritis. Several studies show this to be true. In a study of people with rheumatoid arthritis, curcumin was more effective than an anti-inflammatory drug. Several other studies have examined the effect of curcumin on arthritis, and an improvement in various symptoms has been observed. Summary. Arthritis is a common disorder among people, and many studies show that curcumin can help treat its symptoms. In some cases it can be more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs. Number 9 studies show that curcumin has incredible benefits against depression. Curcumin showed some hope for depression. In a scientific experiment, 60 people with depression were randomly selected and divided into 3 groups, 9. The first group took Prozac and the second group took 1 gram of curcumin, and the third group took both Prozac and turmeric. After 6 weeks, curcumin led to similar improvements to Prozac. The team that took both Prozac and curcumin was the best. According to this small study, curcumin is just as effective as antidepressants. Depression is also associated with low levels of the brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BNDF), a brain region with a role in learning and memory. Curcumin increases BNDF levels and reverses some of these changes. 10. There is also some evidence that curcumin can boost neurotransmitters, including serotonin and dopamine. Summary. A study of 60 depressed people showed that curcumin was as effective as Prozac in relieving symptoms of the condition. Number 10. Curcumin may help delay aging and combat chronic diseases. If curcumin really helps prevent heart disease, cancer and Alzheimer's, it will have clear benefits for longevity. For this reason, curcumin has become very popular as an anti-aging supplement. But since oxidation and inflammation are believed to play a role in aging, curcumin may have effects beyond just preventing disease. Summary. Because of its many positive health effects, such as the ability to prevent heart disease, Alzheimer's disease and cancer, curcumin may help extend life. Conclusion. Turmeric, especially the more active compound turmeric, carries many scientifically proven health benefits, such as the ability to prevent Alzheimer's, heart disease and cancer. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and may also help improve symptoms of depression and arthritis. If you want to buy turmeric supplement, there is an excellent selection on Amazon with an excellent user rating. It is advisable to find a product using bioperine, the brand name material for piperine, a substance that enhances turmeric absorption by 2000%. Without this substance, most curcumin passes only through the digestive system. Please subscribe and like and commenter.